Today I'm taking a quick look at the Kawasaki Vulcan S, and the big question is it actually worth your money? Now, first impressions. This isn't your typical cruiser. The Vulcan S has a more modern, almost sporty feel, which already sets it apart from a lot of bikes in its class. It's powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, the same base engine you'll find in Kawasaki's Ninja lineup, so you already know it's got solid reliability and smooth performance. What really stands out is how beginner-friendly it is. The seat height is low, the handling is light, and Kawasaki even offers adjustable ergonomics so you can tweak the fit to your body. That's a huge plus if you're not a one-size-fits-all rider. On the road, it's not trying to be the fastest cruiser out there. It's more about comfort, control, and everyday usability. Highway cruising is smooth, and city riding feels effortless. But here's the trade-off. If you're looking for a traditional, heavy, rumbling cruiser vibe, this might feel a bit too modern or soft for your taste. So overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a smart, practical choice, especially for newer riders or anyone wanting a comfortable daily cruiser. Worth the money? If that's your style, yes.